Welcome to our channel. How to connect Wi-Fi router to repeater via LAN wire laptop/computer. Power on both devices, plug in your main Wi-Fi router and the repeater, and wait until the power LEDs turn solid. Connect repeater to laptop, use a LAN Ethernet cable to connect the repeater's LAN port to your laptop or computer. Disable Wi-Fi on laptop. Turn off the Wi-Fi on your laptop to ensure it only uses the LAN connection for setup. Access repeater settings page. Open a browser and type the repeater's default IP address, e.g., 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, in the address bar. Log into admin panel, enter the default username and password, usually written on the repeater label or manual. Switch repeater to access point mode. In settings, change the operation mode to access point for LAN-based connection. Connect repeater to main router. Use another LAN cable from the main router's LAN port to the repeater's WAN/LAN port. Configure SSID and password. Set a network name, SSID, and password for the repeater, or keep the same as the main router for seamless roaming. Save and reboot. Apply changes and restart the repeater so settings take effect. Test the connection. Connect your laptop or phone to the repeater's Wi-Fi and check if the internet is working smoothly. Thank you for watching.